Let me ask you something.
Imagine unlocking your goals without breaking a sweat. Sounds like magic? It's not. It's about doing less, but better. Welcome back to Stick First Studio. Tired of goal-setting burnout? We've all been there. Promising the world on January 1st, only to fade away by February. Today we're flipping the script. Let's talk about the power of consistency and how small daily wins can add up to big achievements. Chapter 1. The Consistency Loop. Ever feel like you're stuck in a loop? Start a new habit, stop it, start again. Sound familiar? It's like having a song stuck in your head, but instead of a catchy tune, it's "I'll start tomorrow." Chapter 2. The Secret to Success. What if achieving your goals isn't about doing more, but doing less? Yep, it's about simplicity. It's not about adding more tasks, but creating a daily routine that sticks. Chapter 3. The Problem with Quick Fixes. We've all fallen for the quick fix trap. New methods, hacks, and apps promising overnight success. But how long did they last? About as long as a gym membership in January. Let's ditch the Band-Aid solutions and focus on sustainable progress. Chapter 4. The Solution. A simple daily routine built on 3 principles: know your why, what's driving you, more energy, better health, success. Your why is your motivation fuel. Start small. Don't try to be a superhero. Begin with tiny, manageable tasks. 10 minutes of exercise, 5 pages of reading, or 3 minutes of meditation. Make it a priority. Treat your routine like a non-negotiable meeting. Set a specific time and protect it from distractions. Chapter 5. The Power of Consistency. Change doesn't happen overnight, but small, consistent actions can lead to big results. Focus on showing up daily, and progress will follow. Persistence beats perfection any day. Chapter 6. Take action. So, what are you waiting for? Find your reason, keep it small, and make it a priority. Show up every day and watch your future self thank you.
Thanks for watching. Use the subscribe button. Please